Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be on a Fashion Nova haul. Wow, me, little me, is, if you can see, my baby bump. Hold on, let me show you guys. Don't know if y'all can see that too much. Not the tallest, but a little baby bump. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my clothes barely fit me because I am all out in the front with it, and if you don't know what that means, pretty much my stomach is everything. My booty has disappeared. Yeah, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this Fashion Nova video. Oh, wait, because I always do this. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and join the family. Be with me on this journey because I also will be uploading my glam room construction, which it is currently underway. My pregnancy vlog, which I have some updates for you. I'll be recapping my first trimester. I am currently in my second one and it's blissful. I would not trade a second trimester for the world. But yeah, so that's pretty much the gist of everything. Also, I will be changing some stuff around because my husband just built me a vanity and I am geeking. I'm gonna insert a clip of that for you guys when I do my glam room tour. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So first things first, I got these pants from Fashion Nova. Obviously this is a Fashion Nova haul. They're size 3, which the thing is I can fit my size 3 pants. It just does not fit over my stomach. So I'm still gonna wear my pants. Just have to finesse it with a long shirt. But these are the Statuesque booty lifting jeans, which currently I need because the stomach ain't helping me. I really like these pants because as you can see, they are stretchy, very comfortable. The only part that's not comfortable obviously is because I can't zip them all the way up, but that is okay with me because I can still fit my size 3. So when baby Kaden comes into this world, mommy will be back in her Fashion Nova jeans. Yes, honey. Yes. Oh, also they are skinny leg. They are, no rips or nothing. I needed some regular black jeans because I'm also in beauty school and we have our dress code, which is all black pretty much. So I needed some black pants without holes in them. So the next items I got were, which I've been wanting, like some overalls, and I'm glad I found these ones. This is the, well, crazy thing is I don't know where the tag went for this one, so I can't tell you the name of it, but it's a crop top, V-neck, little ruffle like in the middle. It's stretchy. I do like that. Of course, it doesn't go over my stomach though, but that is okay with me. But yeah, so I have my shirt, short sleeve shirt, and I just think it is the absolute cutest. And then for my pants, okay, this one still has a tag on it. Let me zip these up for you guys, which I think is the cutest. I think all these are the cutest. That's why I picked them all out. It's called My Best Girl's Denim Jumpsuit, medium wash. It's a size small, just like that other shirt. It's a size small because regardless of the fact that I am pregnant and I have a belly, I'm still petite. I am still small. Just the stomach ain't. But these are the overalls. They're adjustable. They are adjustable. And they have a zipper that goes all the way down to like the crotch area too, which I like because I can still get my belly in there. And then I think my favorite thing about these, aside from it, they're also skinny leg pants, is the belt that it comes with. So the belt itself is my favorite because I can adjust it to put it above my belly, and I can adjust the tightness, of course. So this outfit is actually very comfortable for me. So if you are pregnant and wanting some jean overalls, Fashion Nova has the one for you with these. And I love this and I can't wait to wear it. Of course, the bag you saw was Michael Kors, and I get that from Fashion Nova. My hubby got me that bag. But yes, and then I just think the zippers are a really cute accessory. Honestly, I really do. I just feel like regular pockets are regular pockets, but then when you got accessories, like, you know how us girls feel about us having like pockets on certain things. Like, we have pockets on dresses, we be like, oh my gosh, like a girl comes to you and be like, oh, your dress is so cute, thank you. It got pockets. Yes, and that's how I feel about this one. It got zipper pockets, which is so cute. So next, I got a couple things with this outfit. So this hat, first of all, I wanted something different. I don't really have a lot of hats. Well, I do, but they're baseball cap hats, and I wanted something a little bit more fashionable, so I got this one. It is a cowboy hat, actually, from Fashion Nova. I don't really know where the tag is or anything, but I just thought it was cute because I had an outfit in mind when I got it, so the kid got this one. And then also, to go with the little outfit that I got, it was this little purse. Little itty bitty purse. It comes with a chain, so it could be longer, but it's like a little change purse, a little coin purse. Nothing spectacular, just a little black one, because I just felt like adding some accessories to everything. And then to up the ante on it, from what you guys are seeing, I got this belt, which I thought was so cute to go around the white dress that you guys are seeing now. I've been seeing these belts a lot lately, or like the bustiers or whatever that goes over the clothes, and I've been really feeling those, and I'm really trying to get into my wardrobe. Even though I'm becoming a mommy, I don't have to dress like one, and even if I do dress like one, it's gonna be a fire-ass mommy. So, I got this little belt. And then for my dress, the dress is called a sweet and sour mini dress. And yes, honey, it is mini, and yes, it is tight. This does not stretch. It looks like it does, but it really does not stretch. And I'm trying to tell you guys, like, it comes with these cute little buttons. It barely fit over my stomach, as you can see. It barely fit over my booty. It took me forever to put this on. I got scared and freaked out because I thought I couldn't take it off. It comes with a zipper on the side, so you can get into it with ease. It didn't necessarily help me though, but I do like the dress, and I really feel like it's cute, and I'm just waiting to wear my stuff again. I'm waiting because I know when I do it, it's gonna step out, be glorious, and, you know, get cute or whatever, while I'm pushing my little baby around in his stroller around the neighborhood, looking like I'm about to go step out on the scene to somewhere big for no damn reason with a baby. And then I have just a regular shirt, which I'm a regular girl who likes regular things. And I just thought this shirt was so cute. It's a Chuckie shirt. It says it was our window to the world, and now it's gone. The source of all our joy. I don't know why that sounds so depressing now that I'm reading it. It has Chuckie on the side of the arms, on both sides. And I just thought it was cute. Fashion Nova has a lot of like the Nickelodeon stuff on there, like Rugrats. I think they have Tommy, maybe some other people too. But I just thought this was cute because I like white tees, and I'm a simple girl. So this with a pair of jeans and some nice sneakers, maybe some Air Forces or whatever, you know, that's my way to go with it. So the next thing you guys are gonna see is the overalls in this black top. So the black turtleneck that I got is a stretchy black turtleneck. It is, here we go, a size small. Pretty much everything I got was a size small, honestly. It's called Amerie turtleneck sweater, and it's stretchy, long sleeve. It's a crop top. I know you're probably like, why does this chick keep buying crop tops and she's pregnant? Well, because I'm not just gonna be out here with my belly out. I'm gonna cover it up and make it look like, I promise I'm not gonna be out here and watch it. But I like this shirt because it's black. I need turtlenecks, and I don't really like turtlenecks, but I like the way this one fits, as you can see in the video. And then as far as the pants itself, these are called Jump in the Ring jumpsuit, and once again, the whole zipper thing that I love because of my belly, so it's comfortable, so I'm not hurting my baby boy. These ones, the only thing is it doesn't come with adjustable straps. They're kind of long, but I am okay with that because of the way it sits. These do flare out at the bottom. These are also stretchy, and they are a size small, but I just thought this was really cute for any simple day, like whether I'm doing makeup or even if you're going to church or just something. Like, it's like a cute all-purpose outfit. All-purpose. The other things that I got, I didn't try on for you guys was because I got pregnant. I got tired, and I got hungry. But I got this purse. The straps from the inside. It's a cute little pink little purse. I was gonna get the leather jeans that I saw with it. They were pink. They match this too. I think I'm still gonna get them if they still have them. But yeah, I just thought this was cute to have. Accessories or whatever. Just a cute little purse. And then as far as shirts, I got another turtleneck shirt. This one is called Can't Be a Knit Long Sleeve Top. Another turtleneck. It's white. It has like little frills on the sleeves. This is another crop top. I don't know if I just said it or not, but this one also stretches. It's comfortable and it's really soft. And I plan on, like I said, like pairing this up with that pink purse and like the pink leather pants. And then I saw some like white boots on there too that I'm thinking about getting. Don't steal my outfit, but I'm gonna look for them because I really want those. And then last but not least, because I love a good pair of boots. I really do. And I saw these and was like, it's a must-have. And the boots that I saw like these are the white ones I was talking about, which I want, but they were sold out. But it's okay because I'm gonna go back and get them. But I got these boots. Aren't they just freaking cute? I feel like you could pair these with a nice pair of blue jeans, black jeans, any pants. They are just gorgeous. Like, they're good for winter time, fall, summer, spring. It doesn't matter. Like, I feel like these are all-purpose boots, and I do feel like you can wear these with anything, pair it up with everything, because for one, they're black. And I know most people, black doesn't go with everything. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Name one color it does not go with. But I love these boots. They zip on the sides. I like the little ridges at the bottom just to give it a little bit more oomph. But these boots, yes, going to be killer. But that pretty much concludes my Fashion Nova haul / review. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and let the kid know. Also, if you have any questions as far as like sizes and anything of that nature, just let me know. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. Hope to see you guys next time. I have a few more videos coming up for you guys, so keep staying tuned. Also, if you like my makeup in this video, make sure you go check out my last video that I just uploaded. It is clutch, key, and maze balls. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.